New Delhi, Collector Office. A group of farmers arrived to ask Chaya help. They waited for an hour. Chaya came to office. She saw the farmers and asked them what is the problem they have. One of the farmer Asif told, Madam, we have shortage of water. There is a tank in our village, but some corporate people are using it for their industrial purpose. They had taken the land which is granted by government. Please help us. Chaya asked, do you know the industry name? They told, Anand Oil and Gas Industry. I will take care about it. It is my duty. You shall go to your village. She asked her deputy collector, whose industry is it? They replied, Ma'am, it is Haryana's Educational Minister Anand Singh's industry. Okay, we shall replace the hell with heaven. Ministry of Industries Office, Delhi. Chaya went and met Irfan Tahir, Industries Minister. Miss Chaya, really great work. I think you came here for help, I guess. Yes, sir. Please help the farmers. Anand Singh's industry is polluting the village. Okay, Chaya. Already he is dead. His son Chandradeep is under custody. Anybody else in the family? Yes, sir. His wife Anuradha Devi. She takes care about these companies. Then wait. We shall take action. After a few days, even the industry got closed and Chaya became the most admired person. The people even ready to do anything for her. She went to every village and checked that everything is good. She increased the literacy rate in New Delhi. She got Seva Award. One day, she got a call from Nation Today News Channel to request an interview at 8 pm on April 5th. She accepted the request and told, I'll come. On the other side, Faridabad, Haryana District Jail. A constable was checking all the jail rooms and he stopped at one room. There a person was towards the wall and scratching the wall with his bleeding fingers. Constable went in. The person stabbed his fingers into the constable's neck and killed him. That person shouted, My father is killed. My mother is also jailed. I should avenge my revenge. Chandradeep escaped from jail to kill Chaya. It is night, 7:40 pm. A car arrived at Nation Today News Channel headquarters. A lady got down from the car with graceful eyes and grateful habits. It is Chaya IAS. She moved to the interview hall. The host was Rihanna. She welcomed her and they made some preparations for the interview. Meanwhile, Chaya got a call from Siya Ranjit. She answered the call. He told her that Chandradeep escaped from the jail. He may harm you. Be careful. Within 8 hours, we gonna give you protection. This is a challenge issue. Be careful. The interview gonna start in few minutes. Rihanna is prepared with her questions. Chaya is confident and fearless about the obstacle which is going to arrive. On the other side, police passed Chandradeep photo to all railway stations and bus points. The interview started. Rihanna asked Chaya,
Ma'am, didn't you ever get scared about what is going to happen if you do this particular thing?
Chaya with a smile, she replied, Once my father said, don't think about the future. If you want to do good, no one will decide your future. Only karma decides it. If it affects in a bad way, your clever way of response to your problem gives you relief.
Wow, that's a really great line, ma'am.
Just call me Chaya.
Okay, Miss Chai. Could you tell us about your childhood and studying age?
I'm from Hyderabad. Actually, I'm in America for 3 years. I came back here after my grandmother's death. My grandfather was alone, so me, my sister, and my mother came to India. My grandfather used to tell me stories of his experience as a doctor in times of 1930 to 1940s and told great stories of our freedom fighters. I got inspired by those stories, and later my interest on India and these stories decreased. I was joined in St. Mary's School from 7th class. There was a social teacher who made me again get inspired on my nation before I thought to go to back near my father. I told one day to my father about these all. He told me one thing, that never and ever you should forget about your own nation. We should remember that we are in this position due to our nation. We should be proud to be Indians. I just ignored. But as I told before, my social teacher regained the inspiration on India. It laid a great foundation stone which made me to be in India and strive for India. I asked my teacher, what is the way to follow my goal? She told me, Chaya, then try to be an ICS officer, know about it and achieve your success. I listened that and started to know what should we do to become an ICS officer. My age was 14 when I asked this question. My graduation completed and I chose MPC and started to make practice tests like railways, SSC and etc. One incident happened on the day of mains. That morning, there was a fight between my brother and another person. They were going into the fight. I just went to stop the fight. My hall ticket was in my hands. The other person pushed my hand out. My hall ticket torn. I should thank God. I had a soft copy, so I made a print and went to exam. Let us take a short break, told Rihanna, and they had a break. A man ran and came near Rihanna. He told, Ma'am, latest news. Dr. Shivraj Singh is going to participate in coming elections. Chaya comes in middle and asks Rihanna, who is he? She replies, he is the first son of Anand Singh. Chaya tells to herself in mind, there is one more tiger to be investigated. Rihanna, I should leave. There is an urgent work. Let us telecast tomorrow. Chaya told Rihanna and left. They were going on highway. Some rocks were put on the road as no vehicle can move front from that. Security got down and moved the rocks and they moved ahead 10 kilometers. Then a sailor dashed her car. The car went